guys, it's NYC Urbanista here. It's been a while since I brought you guys along with me. I'm not doing anything too exciting at the moment. It's very loud. I'm in Grand Central Station. You probably can't hear a word I'm saying. Anyway, I'm on my way to an appointment. And I just brought Metro North in, and I am going to switch over to the subway to go up to Park Avenue for an appointment. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me just for the heck of it. So let's see. As I said, I just got off the Metro North line, so now I need to switch over to the subway. Let's see. I want to take the 6 train going north. Let's see. I should know this like the back of my hand by now, but anyway, nothing too exciting. But I don't know, I always enjoy seeing videos of Grand Central just because you never know what you're gonna get. And it's also one thing that surprises most people. I know it certainly surprised me. The first time I visited years and years ago, and still never ceases to amaze me actually how beautiful of a building it is, and how immaculate and clean. Not at all what most people would expect. It's a little different, you'll see when we walk down to the subway, but the main terminal is always pristine, and I'm hungry. Lots of good smells and good eats. I wish I had time to stop. Okay, so you're gonna see the difference now. We're about to go to the 6th train, subway. So you'll notice it gets a little different once we actually get in this area. Here we go. We're taking the 6th train. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. The terminal itself is amazing, and then when you get out of the main part into the subway, you can tell it's still a lot of the old architectural subway features, a lot of the old mosaic tile work. And I kind of have to hustle because I am pushing it a little bit, so I'm sorry for a little bouncy. The appointment I'm going to is on Park Avenue. It's actually a doctor's appointment, and it is on one of the most beautiful parts of Park Avenue. It's one of the most beautiful parts of the city to me. So I will try and splice that in as well. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys down while I get on my Metro card, which I totally forgot to do. Ay, ay, ay. So much for being a savvy New Yorker. And now, of course, I'm not sure which card has any money left on it. So let's see if I got lucky the first time. Slide it through here. Yep, I got lucky. There's 67 bucks left on it. Glad I got the right one. Okay, so now we're looking for the 6th train going uptown. Wait, I need to put that card away a little bit better. Considering I had... I'm surprised I have that much money on my card, to be honest. Usually I swipe it through and it's like $2 left. Alright, here we go. Probably going to lose connection at any point. Let's see. That's going downtown. Why am I? Oh boy. Alright, I'm chatting with you guys instead of paying attention to what I need to be doing. Alright, I'm gonna have to go back upstairs. At least I didn't get on to go downtown. So I need to switch over to the uptown side. I swear I've done this a million times, and for whatever reason, it's so easy to screw up. I mean, like, for real though. This is kind of embarrassing. Okay. Well, downtown. Did I like really screw up? Oh hell. Okay, here we go. This is what I get for being chatty and not paying attention to what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. 6th train uptown. I'm done. Let's see. This is what we see. Anyway. Fortunately, it's only a few minutes ride, so I should be good. Let's see, uptown. 6. Go. The 42 you're saying is because we're at 42nd Street, which is obviously Grand Central. Alright, now what am I doing? Okay. 6th train. Coming in 2 minutes. So we are good to go. I wish I could actually take you guys on the subway with me, but I lose connection and I just feel a little odd about that. About filming people on the subway. I'm not sure how people feel about that. As you can see, the original mosaic tiles, which I always think is beautiful. Okay, so that's about as exciting as it gets for right now. I will come back at ya when I exit and show you the rest of the way.